Hey everybody, welcome to BlenderBoyz at Home, episode number 29. We're going to do a healthy smoothie today. Not that our smoothies aren't healthy, just as they are. You know the drill by now, serving half a fruit, full daily requirement of vitamin C, good source of fiber, but we're going to make a smoothie that's really a meal replacement, keep you going most of the day. It happens to be the one my wife makes for herself just about every day. Starts off with a pouch of our berry blend, and we'll just go ahead and put it in the blender here now. Some ice. Now, if you're using frozen fruit, and you can, we're going to put a fresh banana in. If you had a frozen banana, you might cut back on the ice a little bit, because that'll give you the same effect. But you can use a fresh banana if you've got one. Come on. There we go. And a couple of big spoons of yogurt. Some pea protein. Now, pea protein allows this to be available to people who may have a lactose intolerance or a bit of a reaction to milk. Because we're using the yogurt, it's not exactly vegan. You could skip the yogurt if you wanted a vegan version of this. But pea protein, we're putting in a tablespoon. Pretty good alternative to whey protein. Most of the amino acids and same levels of protein. Some chia seeds, about a tablespoon. Some flax seeds, same, about a tablespoon. And some hemp seeds. You can see you're getting a real power-packed smoothie here. About 3 ounces of water. Well, this is going to make a big drink. And there we go. Now, we've got a big blender here, of course, but as you can see, we've got a smaller one as well. You can certainly use whatever blender you have in the house. And there we have it. I guarantee you, you drink this and you will be good at least till lunch, maybe till the middle of the afternoon for another healthy snack. Enjoy the BlenderBoyz high protein full meal smoothie.
Follow us on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.